Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood with DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus here in Burlington County, New Jersey. Here we are in Waterford, New Jersey, and we're at the customers that we just completed work on, the Rushes, and they were very nice to let us come back and take a look at the deck from before and after what it was and how well this came out. And it's just typical of some of the jobs that we can do at DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. So we wanted to come out and do a video on this deck. So when we came out to this deck, it had been neglected somewhat. It didn't look too good. So we have to come up with, one is a budget that somebody wants to work with, and then come up with what exactly we're going to do with this deck. We were able to restore the deck, put on new white fascia and new railings around the deck. They wanted to go with the gray on the decking and then the black balusters with the white vinyl decking and solar caps. They say out here at nighttime it's beautiful, and maybe we should come back and get a nighttime shot, but it really came out good. It really jumped out. Now, the wood on the floor still isn't bad. It was in pretty good shape. Even after the restoration and so forth, even before the restoration, we could see that. So we did give them the option of replacing the whole deck or keeping the wood and at least doing the railings. The railings were pretty well gone too. So these are some of the things we can come up with. We do everything with decks and with our exterior wood program and our deck building and rebuilding, that we can come up with all kinds of solutions. Sometimes it is a replacement or a rebuild. Sometimes it's a partial rebuild, as it is in this case. Sometimes just repair and restoration. But whatever the case, that's what we do. We're not going to sell you a deck if it's not in your budget, and if, you know, we'll tell you if the deck is no good. We do inspections, and we will be able to tell you if the deck needs to be replaced. But we can come up with a solution like this. The customers couldn't be happier with this. It really came out very nice. As you look around the deck, you'll see how everything just ties in really nice. The deck has that gray look, which is current and which a lot of people like. We have that white railing with the black balusters, which again is very contemporary. We really upgraded the contemporary look of this deck. It looks beautiful. It's going to wear really nice, and the maintenance is going to be really easy, because all we have to do in the future is just clean up the railings, and then we're just going to do a light cleaning and a reapplication on the floor in a few years, or as needed. And that's what we do here at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. So again, it doesn't matter whether you want a new build, rebuild, something in the middle, a hybrid of that, whether it's just restoration, repair, or anything else. You name it, if it's a deck, we are your go-to company. And we've been for over 30 years. So contact us at 609-268-3436. That's 609-268-3436. And also visit us on the web at www.deckrestorationplus.com. That's deckrestorationplus.com. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for checking out the video, and I'll be waiting for your phone call.